Hey guys, we're Becca
and Jessie
with Modern Vintage Events.
And this is Planning and Prosecco.
Today, we wanted to show you a tablescape with one of our very favorite elements, velvet.
We really love the rich, elegant feel of velvet in pretty much every color. This ocean color has such a warm, serene feel to it. And I mean, it's like you look at it and you can just feel the wind and the waves, right? Okay, maybe not.
Yeah, totally.
But anyway, in this situation, we really like pairing the rich velvet with some more simple plates and glassware to kind of play off of each other.
We put this copper flatware with the velvet linen because it kind of has that really in rose gold look, but it pops really well on this linen. It just stands out.
And it's such a warm kind of color that it also kind of plays off the richness of that velvet texture.
Then we paired it with a bistro stripe napkin, which has just a very clean feel and sort of adds some clean lines to the table.
We also like the brightness of the napkin just to break up the color a little bit, but then we paired a clear glass plate with it to let that warm ocean color shine through the plate itself. And we pressed a little flower underneath for some nice detail and a little bit of color mixture underneath.
Then we added the society glasses, which have that really elegant cut glass look. It adds a little bit of interest to your table without being too busy. It also kind of makes me feel like I'm in Emily Gilmore's dining room.
Thanks for having us over, Emily. I'll have another cocktail, please.
Hope we pass the test.
For the flowers, we went a little bit more on the neutral side with a couple of just darker pops, but you could even do some bright yellows and oranges, maybe some pinks to really make the colors pop off of this ocean velvet.
You could really make this really springy or summery as well. I think you could go with any really bright color that would look good with this, in addition to the muted tones we've done here.
We finished it out with the Versailles Ghost Chair, which we think plays really well with all of the glassware and clear glass plates that we have on the table.
If this was helpful, please like it and share it with your friends.
If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking here for more wedding planning tips.
You can also check out our blog at modernvintageevents.com.
Join us again soon for the next installment of Planning and Prosecco. Until then,
happy planning!